Zechariah chapter 3.
I was given another vision. This time Joshua the high priest was standing in front of the Lord's angel. And there was Satan, standing at Joshua's right side, ready to accuse him. But the Lord said,
Satan, you are wrong. Jerusalem is my chosen city, and this man was rescued like a stick from a flaming fire.
Joshua's clothes were filthy. So the angel told some of the people to remove Joshua's filthy clothes. Then he said to Joshua,
This means you are forgiven. Now I will dress you in priestly clothes.
I spoke up and said, Also put a clean priestly turban on his head. Then they dressed him in priestly clothes and put the turban on him, while the Lord's angel stood there watching. After this, the angel encouraged Joshua by telling him that the Lord all-powerful had promised,
If you truly obey me, I will put you in charge of my temple, including the courtyard around it, and you will be allowed to speak at any time with the angels standing beside me. Listen carefully, High Priest Joshua, and all of you other priests. You are a sign of things to come, because I am going to bring back my servant, the chosen king. Joshua, I have placed in front of you a stone with 7 sides. I will engrave something on that stone, and in a single day I will forgive this guilty country. Then each of you will live at peace and entertain your friends in your own vineyard and under your own fig trees.